The Rotary MGE 1.0 is your universal lifting table. With a capacity of 1 ton, it's perfect for the easy removal and installation of electric batteries, engines, and gearboxes. Its hydraulic lifting foot pedal easily raises the table to a maximum height of 1,835 millimeters, while the lowering foot pedal lowers the platform to a minimum height of 535 millimeters. The integrated lowering brake valve allows for precise control of the lowering speed. With its 1,260 millimeter length and 650 millimeter width, the Rotary MGE 1.0 is one of the most versatile lifting tables on the market. The 360 rotation of the rear wheels allows for easy turning, while the fixed front wheels make straight movements simple. The universal tool helps the operator in the assembly and disassembly of complex mechanical parts, such as engines and gearboxes. The shallow, low-profile design makes positioning under the vehicle extremely easy. The Rotary MGE 1.0 is the perfect addition to your shop. Designed by professionals with years of experience manufacturing lift tables for automotive manufacturers. For more information, visit us online.